Let's see what Mendeley does. For example, this is the Mendeley desktop view. This is how it looks. See here you can see all the documents are there. You can search literature search. It will show the papers linked with your whatever the search keywords. And also it will show the your publications, and these are the folders where you can categorize your documents. You can add your documents, you can categorize, and whenever we select a document it will show like this. Here you can see whether it is journal article or thesis. We can automatically it will collect all this data. It can be customized for later usage. If you find there is discrepancy in the automatic taken data, we can always change it. Title, authors, journal, year, volume, pages. Even if it is DOI is available, it will show DOI. All these things can be uh, easily. It will take the data, and which will be useful in later stage for reference management and during literature review as well. If you search with a keyword, it's not just search the title of the paper. It will search inside the paper and it will shortlist all the paper relevant to the keyword. That way it is helpful one way. And another way, if you see here, you can filter by keywords, authors, tags, and publications. Whenever I filter by authors, automatically it has taken all the authors, because here you can see authors are listed. Whenever I see select some author, it will shortlist all the papers published by that particular author, whichever integrated in this or you downloaded or added in this mental. Similarly, next by publication, you can also shortlist by journal name. If you are interested or if you recollect that this paper was from transportation research record, then you can always shortlist by the journal and you can refer back to that paper easily. And next is one more, my tags. This is very important, which I found more useful in this Mendeley. Uh, Let me demonstrate that. That will be more clear to all. See, this is I hope this is visible to all. This is the view of Mendeley. Here you can see these are different options. Here we can add journal name, author, abstract. These are the tags. For example, aggregate chemistry, FTIR, RAP, these are relevant to this paper. If I open this paper, it will be shown like this. And based on the content of this paper, you can add anything, whichever it is, like chemistry, something you feel like it is useful. And it will be recorded in this paper for always. And when you go to here, my tags or authors or my tags, here you can see all these uh, keywords. If I select chemistry, see, you can see the paper. Easily it can be referred back. So that way it is useful. One more way is people may sort through folders, but I found it is a bit more difficult. For example, for same keyword, it may fall into two folders. Having replicate copy is not good. Instead of that, better we can have tags. Multiple tags can be linked with the same paper, and it can be segregated. For example, here all documents, if I search aggregate chemistry, these all papers are tagged with aggregate chemistry. So easily we can refer back. You can see here different tags. This is one of the potential use, I would say. Next is referencing. For example, when we write a report or research articles, at the end we have to give the list of references where we have to have in a proper format. Each and every journal have their own style. For example, you might be aware of reference styles like uh, Chicago format, Harvard format, APA format, or different journals, they follow their own format. For example, here Mendeley will help you to get those formats directly. Here, this is the last format I used for road materials and pavement design. This is a journal name we can use. If it is not here, whatever your interested journal, we can always get by typing more styles. Here, availability is there. If you want to go for new journal, you type it, you will find the new journal. Similarly, for nature, if I use this style, it will become nature style. If you go to citation style, it will show nature. This is how now it is selected. If you want to copy, just copy as a formatted citation. The citation for this particular paper is copied in that nature journal requirement format. This is one way of copy and pasting manually. Another way is you can integrate this Mendeley with your Word document, where automatically you will get the citation or referencing list. It is easy way, and I would say this will save a lot of time into writing and reference management, and it will automatically update, which is very important. Let's coming back to the presentation. This is what I discussed, like tags and all, and this is the reference manager, whichever as per required journal format.